So you have your serger, you have it set up, but you haven't sewn a stitch yet. Well, let me give you tips for sewing a seam. Here I have a piece of fabric, 2 layers of cotton, and I have a curve, and I want to show you how to use your hands to help maneuver the fabric. First of all, to get started, you can either lift up the presser foot, or you can just lift up the foot like this to put your fabric under. Another thing I want to point out are there are little lines on top of the front of this machine, and what that is that's your seam allowance. So if you're wondering where's my stitch going to be, just line it up with one of these lines here. Okay, so let's get started stitching just a little bit. I'm just going to make a few stitches. I'm just at the edge of the fabric. I'm going to put my needle into the up position. I'm going to grab this long thread tail and wrap it around to the front side, and we're going to cut that off right as we stitch. So you can see it's cutting the fabric and it's stitching all in one. I'm just using a regular 4-thread overlock. So I'm not pushing the fabric through and I'm not pulling. What I'm doing is I'm using my hand to go to the outside curve like this. I'm going to go around the outside curve. Again, just trying to line up the edge of the fabric the best you can with whatever seam allowance you want. So we made it around the outside. Now we're going to use our hands and kind of maneuver this way. Not pushing and not pulling, but I'm actually helping the fabric through. Because if I let go and just let it surge, it's going to just have a straight line and you're not going to be able to get around curves. And I'm going to say probably 80% of the time you're going to need to go around a curve. All right? So notice I'm kind of just maneuvering that fabric and back around the other side. We're going back around an outer curve. My hem allowance got a little big there, so let me show you a few more things here. Now we just serged off, but wait a minute, I'm not finished. I want to continue to go around this fabric. So I can lift up the fabric with the needle in the up position and just line up the fabric right on the edge. So my needle goes right in the edge of the fabric and keep stitching. Instead of having a super long thread chain every which way you go. And so by doing that, I ended up with a little bit of extra thread here that I can cut, but I didn't have the long chains. This comes really in handy if you serge all of your pieces before you sew. And let's do it one more time. This is a little tricky. Just maybe do 2 stitches, slide your fabric forward, and start stitching. So if I'm doing a straight edge, all I have to do is just lift the fabric up and it feeds itself. So let's see how this looks. That one looks much better. We only had 2 stitches. So that gives you tips for going around corners and going around curves. Happy serging. See you next time.